Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and 5 minus 1. Here the three vertices of circle is given. We have to find the circumcenter. First, what is the circumcenter? The perpendicular bisectors of triangle are concurrent. Here triangle is AB, BC, AC. It have the perpendicular bisectors, three perpendicular bisectors. They must be concurrent. That concurrent point is called the circumcenter. Here this one is the circumcenter. So we find that circumcenter. What we have to do here is this one and this one and this one. That perpendicular bisectors is the circumcenter. That bisector means midpoints. It passes through the midpoint of the sides and perpendicular to the at midpoint. So here in this figure, A is 1, 3, B is minus 3, 5, C is 5 minus 1. Here now D is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Here the line L1 is passes through the midpoint of BC and perpendicular to the BC, and the line L2 which passes through the midpoint of AB, F and perpendicular to the AB. Here then that two perpendicular bisectors are intersecting at the particular point. That point is called S, that is the circumcenter. Our task is to find the values of S. For that, first we are doing the find the midpoints of BC. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here this is the midpoint formula. So x1, y1 are the minus 3, 5, 5 minus 1, x2 by 2. Then you substitute the values minus 3 plus 5 by 2, 5 minus 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2 and 4 by 2 is the D is the 1, 2 we get. Similarly, AC midpoint is here. In case of AC, A is 1, 3, x1, y1. C is 5 minus here C is 5 minus 1, x2 by 2. The same formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 is the 1 and y1 is the x2 is the 5 and y1 is the 3 and y2 is the minus 1. We write the values, we will get the 6 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2 is the 2 by 2. Here we have the 3, 1 is the values of midpoint of AC. Here 3, 1 is the values of midpoint of AC. Here this is the E point. Next, similar method we can find the AB mid values also. That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 1, 3, B minus 3, 5. You substitute the values, then we will get the minus 2 by 2. 8 by 2 is 8 by 2 is the 4. Then F is equal to minus 1, 4. Now one concept we need to find the equation of L1 and L2 here. L1 is perpendicular to BC. If BC slope is equal to M, then L1 slope is equal to minus M. Why? Because the two lines are perpendicular lines. The slopes of their product of slopes of their two lines is equal to minus 1, then only they are perpendicular. So that is the reason if one line is slope is M and another line slope must be 1 by minus 1 by M. So after that concept we apply that in the problem. BC slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. B is minus 3, 5 and C is 5 minus 1. Here you substitute the values x1, y1 and x2, y2. Here x1, y1 and x2, y2. Minus 1 minus 5 by 5 minus of minus 3 is equal to minus 6 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here M is BC slope is M is equal to minus 3 by 4. But we need the L1 slope. So L1 is perpendicular to BC. So L1 slope is equal to minus 1 by BC. This is equal to minus 1 by M minus 1 by minus 3 by 4. That is the numerator it becomes has the 4 by minus into minus by minus is cancelled, 4 by 3. So M of L1 is 4 by 3. L1 passes through the point 1, 2 and having the slope 4, 3. We have the point slope form. We know that the equation of the point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. This formula we can use to find the L1 equation. Here L1 is x1, y1 is the 1, 2 and m is the 4 by 3. You substitute just values. Y minus 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 1. 3y minus 6 is equal to then 4x, 4 into x, 4x minus 1. Then 4x minus 3y minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. L1 is equal to 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the L1 equation. In the similar way, similar method, similarly we can find the values of L2 equation also. Similarly we can find the L2 perpendicular to AB, that is in our figure. L2 is perpendicular to AB. AB slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here you see L2 is where you see once again you check here. L2 is this one. L2 is perpendicular to AB. AB values are 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and F also we know the F values also. By using that we can find the L2. Here we are here. L2 is equal to L2 slope. We want to find the L2 slope. First AB slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then L2 slope is equal to minus 1 by m. Here AB slope is minus 1 by 2. L2 slope is the 2. Equation of L2 is same formula. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Here f is minus 1, 4 is the x1 y1 and m is 2. Then y minus 4 is equal to 2 into x minus of minus 1. Minus of minus is the plus. Then y minus 4 is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 1 is the 2. 2x minus y plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. So L2 is equal to 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Intersection of L1 and L2. Intersection of L1 and L2. These two lines gives us circumcenter. So how we find the intersecting point? We can use the many methods, but you follow that arrow method is or any method you have to follow. Algebraic methods, addition, subtraction of the two equations, or any method, substitution method. But now we are using the arrow method. Is here we have to take the values of coefficients. Here y coefficient, you start with the y coefficient is the minus 3. Here you see y coefficient is the minus 3 and after the constant 2 and x coefficient is the 4 and again end with the y coefficient. Similarly second values also. Y coefficient is the minus 1. Here x coefficient is the 2 and constant. Here minus 1, 6, constant is the 6 and 2 minus 1. Then you take x by y by and constant 1 by. Here 3 6 is 18 minus of minus 2 and 2 on the 2. Y by 4 2 to the 4 minus 24 and 1 by 4 1 the 4 and here you see 4 1 the 4 minus 4 and minus of 2 3 the 6. This minus is from the formula AD minus BC, like that. Minus 4 minus of minus 6. Then x by minus 18 plus 2 is equal to 1 by, here you take the two equations, 1 by minus 4 of minus 6 plus 6 and x by minus 16 is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 8 is the one value. And y by 4 minus 24 is equal to 1 by, again you take the second one, minus 4 plus 6. This is equal to y by minus 20 is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to minus 10. So that circumcenter is x y is equal to minus 8 minus 10. This can we solve